Hello students, myself Chitan Kumar Chauhan from ABES Engineering College. Today we will going to discuss about the Unit 5 descriptions. So what content we can cover in this Unit 5 which is known as application layer. Here in this Unit 5 application layer, we are talking about some services and the protocols. For example, we are talking about the session and the presentation layer services which is provided by the application layer in the TCP/IP model. So this what kind of services is part of the session layer that can manage the sessions and the presentation and in which format it can display the contents toward the client machine. Next, we are talking about the next protocol, HTTP protocol, which is an web protocol. In this protocol, we are talking about how we can access the server objects like the audio, video, images, or we can say the text through these HTTP protocols. In this case, we have to type the domain name or we can say type the URL, that is a unified resource locator on the browser. So in this case, we have to type the HTTP or HTTPS and then www.google.com. So here how we can access these basically this protocol in order to access the web objects. Next, we are talking about the SMTP, which is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. In this case, how we can exchange the mails over the network. So here we are talking about the two methods in order to access the mails. One is known as the POP3 and the second is an IMAP, Internet Mail Access Protocol. Next is the file transfer protocol. In this case, we are talking about how we can share the files over the networks. So here, the which ports are using, for example, the port 20 and 21, which we are using in case of the file transfer protocol. And the next, we are talking about the domain name service. There's a DNS. This is the most important protocol. In this protocol, we are talking about what kind of services provided by the DNS. For example, the domain name to IP conversion or the alias creations, or we are talking about the various resource records maintained by the DNS. Yeah. Next, we are talking about the SNMP, which is a simple network management protocol. In this protocol, we are talking about how the network devices are managed over the networks. So here we are talking about what kind of methods we are using here in order to manage the network devices. We are talking about the network agents, network managers, and we can use the trap methods. So that we can discuss in the SNMP here. Last, we can discuss about the telnet and the VPN. Telnet is a teletype network in which we can access the machines remotely over the network. Or we can use how we can access these devices in order to configuration point of view or in order to access that one. And last is the VPN, which is the virtual private network, how we can secure our identity on a network with the help of this virtual private network here. So these are the content we can discuss in the Unit 5 application layer, the session and presentation, HTTP, SMTP, FTP, DNS, SNMP, Telnet, and VPN. These are the references used for creating these lectures. Disclaimer. Thank you.